Hey guys, do you play the game Royal Match? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get rich using a promo code. So hop with me now into an incredible video. Okay. First thing we're going to do is go to this site. It's called hexmods.com, alright? So once you're on this site, just go to the search bar, right? And type in Royal Match. So as you can see, it should say Royal Match in here somewhere. There it is. So press on it and then just press this button to start downloading, and then it will generate your promo code. So it's going to ask for your email address so they can email you the promo code with unlimited resources, as you saw. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, alright, so now it's going to load and it's going to say, what do you like? You like super fast shipping? Now it's going to ask you for your email. Alright, so we just need to enter our email. Press continue and it's going to say activating your reward, and then it's going to say like reward activated. Press no thanks if you don't want to receive updates. It might make you do a survey, I don't know. So for me it says continue to reward with the survey, so we're going to do the survey. So let's do it right here, as you can see. Alright, and then we're done. So yeah, it's a pretty simple survey, and once you reach the end, just press I agree and continue, and you should be on your way to getting your promo. Royal Match, you can see it's quite expensive, and we go to in-app purchases. So yeah, peace out, but yeah, it's super expensive, so I wouldn't pay for it, honestly. But I mean, if you want to pay for it, then you can.